Yo, hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to add an image to Cloud Code. So first you will need to open your Cloud and you have two methods, either throughout your terminal or through the basic manual way. Let's start by the terminal first. So for those who are using terminal, you could literally just go ahead and open PowerShell and then open Cloud through it, which is something that you could do. For me, I don't have this access to Cloud through here. That is why I'm just gonna talk to you throughout all the commands that you need to put in the terminal. So the first command is, well, the first method is to drag and drop. So through the terminal, you need to open Cloud through it, and this will open this page for you. And what you can do is to simply drag and drop an image. So we could literally just open my folder here. I'm just gonna search for an image real quick. So I do have like Amazon picture. Here we go. Let me just open it for you guys. So I do have this Amazon picture right here, Amazon Associates. So what I'm gonna do is to simply go here and drag it and drop it. So this is very simple. Simply take the image from your computer and drag it into Cloud Code terminal window. After that, you simply have to write down the prompt that you want, or simply just tap enter. That's pretty much how you can do it. So for example, you can add a prompt like analyze this screenshot or analyze this image and tell me how to make it better, what's the problem, etc, etc. Now the second method is by copying and pasting the image itself. So the same thing here, I'm gonna go ahead and click on Ctrl C, and here I'm gonna do Ctrl V, and the image should be pasted in my chat. So yeah, very easy, very simple. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.